Good morning, dear children. Today we have maths class. So, today we will see chapter 6. It means we will revise chapter 6, whole and part fraction. Whole and part fraction. Okay. Now open exercise 100 and exercise 1, page number 130. कलर द शेप डैट हैव बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स. आपको उसमें कलर करना है जो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो. देखो, दिस वन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स. इसमें आपको कलर करना है. यू हैव टू कलर इट. ओके. एंड दिस वन गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू. कलर इट. This one equal parts, it is divided into equal parts. This one is not. And this one is divided into equal parts. And this way you have to do practice. Okay. Question number 2. Draw lines to divide the following rectangle into 4 equal parts में आपको divide करना है. तो in this way. Got it all of you? 6 equal parts in this way. 8 equal parts. Anything you can. Okay? It should be in equal parts. आप कैसे भी डिवाइड कर सकते हो, but condition is that it should be a equal parts. Okay? Okay, now see exercise 2. Open page number 132. Take the figure that show 1/2. It means जो 1/2 में divided है, 2 part होने चाहिए और 1 part is shading. Okay. देखो, now see A 1 2 part is there and 1 part is color. It means it is divided into 1/2. Okay. B 1 2 3 4. How many parts is there? 4. So that one is cross. Okay. 1 2. It is divided into 2 equal parts and 1 part is color. It means it shows 1/2. Okay. This one is also not 1/2. How many parts is there? 1 2 3. It means that one is cross. Okay. Question number 2. Color 1/3 of each of the following shape. आपको 1/3 3 part is there और 1. It means 1 part में आपको कलर करना है. In this way. Got it all of you? 1 2 3 3 part is there. Total number of part. This one is total number of part. This one is shading part. What? Shading parts. And 1 part is shaded. It means 1/3. Got it all of you? In this way you have to pack. This one also you see. 3 part is there and 1 part is colored. Again you see 3 part is there and 1 part is colored. Got it all of you? Now see. Divide the shape into 4 equal parts. Some pictures are given. You have to divide into 4 equal parts and color 1/4. It means 1 part में आपको कलर करना है. Got it all of you? Okay. Divide the shape into 4 equal. In this way. Divide into 4 parts and color in 1. You can color in any 1 part. This one. Any 1 part you can color it. Okay. also and color one part. Got it all of you? You see, it is divided into 4 parts and color in 1 part. Got it all of you? Now see question number 4. Circle the unit fraction. Circle the unit fraction. What is the mean by unit? It means जिसका ऊपर वाला पार्ट 1 हो. यूनिट का मतलब होता है 1. इसका ये होता है डिनोमिनेटर एंड ये होता है डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, मतलब जिसका ऊपर वाला पार्ट हो, NR एंड DR. जिसका NR मतलब ऊपर वाला जो पार्ट 1 हो, दैट 1 इज यूनिट फ्रैक्शन. 1 is there, that means this one is unit fraction. 4 and 4 से 4 कटेगा तो क्या आ जाएगा? 1/1. सेम नंबर है ना. 4 से 4 कट 1/1. that means this one is also be a unit fraction. 1/6 unit fraction. 2/5, this one is not a unit fraction. 1/5 is a unit fraction. Okay, you see. 1/10, 1 is there, that one is unit fraction. 4/7 is not. 5/6 is not the unit fraction. 1/3 and 2/4. देखो ये कट रहा है ना. 2 1 जा 2. 2 के टेबल से 2 2 जा 4. तो दिस वन ऑल्सो बी आ यूनिट फ्रैक्शन. गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? देखो 1/2. दिस वन नॉट. दिस इज ऑल्सो बी अ नॉट. एंड 1/7 एंड D 1/4. 3 से 3 कटा, इट मीन्स 1/1. तो दिस वन ऑल्सो बी अ यूनिट फ्रैक्शन. 1/8 and 1/9. Got it all of you? In this way you have to do practice unit fraction. Okay. Okay, now see exercise 3, page number 134. Okay, question 1 you don't do. ये नहीं करना आपको. Okay. Question 2 also don't do. You see question. अच्छा, now listen all of you. 134. Open page number 134. Okay, this table you have to learn it properly. ये टेबल आपको लर्न करनी है. Got it all of you? Yes. अब now open page number 135. Write the given fraction. 2 6. It means 2 comes first, then 2 6th. 2 5th. 2/5. 1. Question is given 1/2. तो what answer? 1/2 means 2. 1/2. In this way you have to do practice. Okay. Say 1/6. तो 1/6. Got it all of you? In this way you have to do practice. Okay, now see question number 4. Fill in the fraction. Fraction लिखना आपको. How many parts is there? 1 2 3 equal 1. तो 1 part is equal 1. How many part is there? 1 2 3. तो total number of part 3 and 1 part का पूछा है तो 1/3. Got it all of you? How many part is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total number of part 6 and 1 part fraction, तो 1/6. Got it all of you? Okay. What fraction represent the shaded part? First of all, you have to count how many part is there. How many part is shading? Only one, to write 1. And total number of part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total number of part always write in down. Got it, all of you? Okay, there also you count how many part? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of part 4. And how many part is shading? 1, 2, 3. Write down 3. Got it, all of you? This one also be the same. You have to do practice. Question 5, question 4, question 3. Okay. Color 3/4 of each shape. 3, it means 3 part में आपको color करना है. तो any 3 part you can color it. Got it, all of you? This one also. In this way you have to do. Got it? 3 यानी 3 part में आपको color करना. Okay. Exercise practice is also you have to do yourself. It's the same. Whatever we have learned from this chapter. If you have any confusion, you can ask to me. Okay? Do practice. If you have any confusion, you can ask to me. Again, I am telling. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.